What's up, Panda Nation? This is the Panda Photographer. So, I want to talk about a flash modifier cheaper than the MagMods system. I am a photographer that is always looking to save money, but also looking to have options when using certain cheaper modifiers like this one here. This one here is from Insstro, which is the brand name. I'm not sure if it is the brand name, but that's what it said on the Amazon link. And I was looking at MagMod, and I realized that I was going to purchase a whole entire set for almost $200 when I could get this for just $30 and get almost identical results. Now, as a photographer, I try to make life easier for other photographers to have a way to live on the budget side of things. But you have photographers that always want to push the MagMod system, which is overpriced in my opinion, because before MagMod came along, if anyone paid attention, there were other Chinese manufacturers doing the exact same thing before MagMod came along and, changed the game for photographers. But that's really not changing the game because this system's been out for a while too. It's as strong, the magnetics are as strong as the MagMods, as you can see. Won't come out. But the amazing thing about this that MagMods doesn't provide is glass gels. So this is the diffuser, dorm. Here's the grid, as you can see. Here is the gel filter, which is the gel adapter. How this works is, here's the glass gel. I don't prefer plastic gels anymore because they just get destroyed. These are more perfect and ideal because Insstro provides these plastic or glass gels because it makes practical sense. They don't get destroyed as fast as plastic gels or sheet gels. How you put this in is, you see this front notch here? You push that in first, and then on the bottom, there's a clip, and the gels don't come out. And then you can put it on with ease. And you can screw this onto the speed light if you want. That's up to you. Or strobe. But this is pretty much affordable and much more ideal. Now, take this with a grain of salt, ladies and gentlemen. As a self-taught photographer, I try to emphasize professional work, and I try to do my best when I try to present these videos in a professional state. None of these videos are promoted or sponsored by any of these companies that I have mentioned. If you want to know about the gear that I'm using, I will leave the links down to all of them. The Veltrox RB08 lights, that's what's lighting me here, and lighting me in the back, as you can see. Woohoo! But with that said, this is a great system. It comes with 3 other color gels, blue, red, and green. And they work very much better than the MagMods system, in my opinion. Now, I do have an old system that I used to use from Roll Grid, but I don't really use it anymore because sometimes it's just clunky and cumbersome, but it did work and does still work. But this is going to make my life so much better. And the diffuser dome is going to make sure that when you're doing TTL or at weddings or doing high-speed sync, that light spread is going to spread nicely around the 360 room. So that's great. So I really like this. Anyway, guys, like I said, this video is not sponsored. This video is not promoted, or this is not a promotion. Amazon. But with that said, everyone, I will leave the links down to all of these products. And if you want to support this channel, there will be a link down in the PayPal, the links down in the description below. But with that said, it's been an honor. My name is the Panda Photographer. Please do subscribe, like, and share. And make sure that you follow me as well. If you want to know what I'm doing all the time, please join the Instagram. But with that said, eat, seek, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves.